next skill is gesturing. Gestures have a special meaning to the words that they accompany. In CRIM, it has been repeatedly observed that individuals all over the world, regardless of their culture and ethnicity, make gestures while they speak about healing experiences in their lives. In addition, there are also gestures that are inherently self-soothing that can be part of an individual's repertoire for self-regulation. When we become aware of gestures connected to our well-being, we can then call them up with intention if we are feeling bumped out of our resilience zone. It can be important for us to identify gestures that are self-soothing that can be brought into the present moment awareness to return the nervous system back into balance or back into the resilience zone. While bringing attention to our own comforting gestures, it can be helpful to slow down the gesture as this can deepen the comforting sense of the gesture. Here we will explore a few gestures and their meaning. These images show gestures of protection, joy, and power. A hand on the chest is often a universal self-calming gesture. Praying hands is a universal spiritual gesture. As we mentioned, when we become aware of the gestures that bring us well-being, then we can call up those gestures when we feel bumped out of our resilience zone. If you are interested in learning more about the Community Resiliency Model or would like to host a CRIM workshop for your organization, please contact SEAHEC.